Check this out. You may have seen letter portrait designs like this on Pinterest and thought you need Photoshop skills to recreate them. But in this video, I'll show you how to make this easily in Canva. Let's get started. All right, first step is to add the letter. Press T on your keyboard to add text. Now type the letter you want. Increase the size of it. Next, go to Fonts and choose your font. I'll search for Times New Roman and select the bold version. Increase the size and adjust its position. Now we want to convert this into a frame so we can place our photo inside it. To do that, go to Apps and search for Frame Maker. Click on it to install the app. If you're an old viewer, you already know this app. If you're new, basically this app lets you create custom frames. I've already created a bunch of tutorials about it. I'll leave a full tutorial in the description. You can watch it after this video. Today, I'll use their Convert feature, which is paid, but don't worry, they have a free trial. I'll leave the link in the video description so you can test it out. Now, select the frame and click Continue. Choose Entire Design from the dropdown, then click Convert Design to Frame. Select Maximum Size. Make sure Transparent Background is checked, then click Export. Now your letter frame is ready. It will appear above your original letter. Delete the letter behind it. Next, add your photo. Double-click it and adjust its position. Place it however you like. Once done, click on Share and download it with a transparent background. Now add the downloaded image to a new page. Next, let's add a white border. First, add a temporary background to see it clearly. Now select the image, click Edit, go to Shadows, and choose Outline. Change the color to white and set the size to 10. Now download it again with a transparent background. Add it to a new page. Next, let's add a drop shadow. Remove the background. Click Edit and select Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings however you like. Crop the extra space and adjust its position. Now for the pop-out effect. Add the image again. Remove its background. Increase the size and place it on top. Crop the extra part and bring the subject outside. Once done, select everything and group it. Finally, add a background to complete the design. And that's how you create a letter portrait effect in Canva. Try it with different letters and images to create unique designs. If you want to learn more about creating custom frames, check out the full tutorial linked in the description. I'll see you in the next one.